So, Honor decided to take some jabs at the Z Fold users. That's right, the Galaxy Z Fold 6. If you're a user of that phone, well, Honor is taking a jab at you, and it's kind of funny. Let's talk about it. So, starting off right away, they put out this post. It says, Dear Samsung Galaxy Z Fold owners, we're sorry. We know you're excited to buy a phone that folds in half and fits in your pocket awkwardly. You were promised the future. A technological marvel. A word of boundless multitasking and performance. And now, probably looking at your new Honor Magic V3 and feeling a bit betrayed. Size matters, and we feel your pain. Like being tipped for a gold medal and then coming last in the race. The knowledge that a thinner, lighter, and more durable foldable exists is enough to make anyone question their choices. We get it. You're an early adopter, a pioneer, bravely venturing into the uncharted territory of foldable screens with questionable durability. You deserve better. In fact, you deserve a gold medal. In all seriousness, we at Honor are committed to pushing the boundaries of technology and bringing you the best possible folding experience. We're just saying it's okay to feel let down. We'd feel the same way. Dang! Alright, other than my reading skills being absolutely atrocious, Honor just destroyed them. Like, Honor just absolutely destroyed Samsung right there. I love how Google at this moment in time isn't like at a point where, you know, companies are going after them. Because eventually I feel like they will. It's just Samsung right now is kind of like the top dog. They are the team. Oh, they are the team. They are the company that everyone goes at and, you know, attacks pretty much because they are the top dog. But it's just funny because eventually it's going to be Google too. By the way, just a little side note, Google. You think you're like, you know, squeaky clean over there, chilling and laughing too. You're going to eventually be in the crosshairs. All it takes is you to really do good with this Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And then you're the next one on the chopping block. But for right now, Honor is going at Samsung. And they're not holding anything back, which... Again, I've said many times, I love this, man. I absolutely love this because this is just back and forth between companies, and it is absolutely hilarious. So I hope this continues, all this, you know, back and forth. And I hope Samsung does respond. I don't think they're going to. They didn't respond last time or really any time. They just kind of act like nothing happened. I think they should have to respond. Like, give us the whole thing about why the Z Fold 6 is, you know, an actual upgrade. And why it's better than, you know, the Honor's phone. The problem is, all they had to say back is like, I'm sorry to users of Honor who want to use your phone, but you can't because you're in the United States. Or something like that. They could come back with some type of, you know, diss back. I feel there is definitely a circumstance where they could say something, but... I don't know. Who knows? Maybe they will, maybe they won't. But shout out to WCCFtech.com for posting this article. I'll leave a link down below in the description as always if you'd like to check it out. But we do have Ezza here who posted the article. So I'll leave everything linked down below if you'd like to check it out yourself, read it yourself. As always, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys next one.